In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Microsoft Copilot in Teams. The first thing you need to do is open your Microsoft Teams and make sure you're signed in with your work account or school account. Next, look at the top right corner of the Teams window and click on the three-dot menu next to your profile picture. From the drop-down, select Settings. Inside the Settings window, look for the Copilot tab on the left-hand side. If you have Copilot access, you'll see an option to turn on Copilot. Click on it. If the Copilot option isn't there, it means it hasn't been enabled for your account yet. In that case, contact your Microsoft 365 admin and request that Copilot be activated for your organization. You may also need to ensure that your subscription includes Microsoft 365 Copilot. And that's how you enable Microsoft Copilot in Teams. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.